Hey everyone, here I am with this interesting winter holiday look. You can wear this look for a Christmas or New Year Eves. This is my go-to look. I will definitely be wearing these kind of looks during my holidays. So let's get started and find out how I achieved this one. First up, I went ahead with a sunscreen. I wear my SPF even if it is winter. It protects your skin from any kind of UVs. Next up, I went ahead with a primer. All the products will be listed in my description. To give more illuminating touch to my look, I went ahead with a illuminating lotion. The one I am using in this is by Calabar. Straight up jumping into the foundation, I'm not going to color correct or conceal my face today, because in winters my skin tends to over dry. Since I'm a combination too oily, my skin starts behaving in a different manner. So know your skin and apply the makeup products accordingly. So I will be going in with the foundation under my eyes also. Since I applied a little heavy foundation, I will go ahead with a loose powder under my eye, dust off, and again lay a little extra so that when I'm doing my eyes, any kind of fall off will not stick into my face. I went ahead with this deep brown terracotta shade just to give a little smoky effect to my look. You can take any palette, any eyeshadow palette you have. You don't have to specifically use this palette. I, for a change, was using this one. Take your time. You have to blend in the shade really well. The same shadow will go under your lower lash line. If you're not a lower lash line person, then you can go ahead with your black kajal underneath. Next up, we are jumping straight into shimmer. So I wanted to wear something different out of my comfort zone. I generally go up for golds and silver, so this time I went ahead with grayish blue. And this shade is going to pop and give a really nice effect. To give a more smoky and a night effect to my eyes, I went ahead with this black shadow. Very slowly you have to pack this on your outer edges, and you don't have to take it more above, just on outer corners of your eyes. Next, I dust off the powder which I laid, and we are going to finish off the eyes. To finish off the eyes, I'm going in with the eyeliner to give more depth and definition to the eyes. After putting eyeliner, you will see the eyes are coming together. Next, I am tightlining my waterline with K Beauty Kajal. Currently, I'm obsessed with this kajal. To finish off the eyes, I went ahead with the mascara. So I went ahead with Tarte mascara. You can go in with any mascara. The Maybellines are the best ones. And I will not be wearing any kind of false lashes. You know, I'm not a very falsy person. And when I am going for any event, I like to be more comfortable than feeling my eyes all the time. So mascara is the best option, and find the best mascara for your eyes. Just to give more depth to the eye, I went ahead with the same kajal and just did a little smudging. Straight up jumping into the bronzer. I'm going very light-handed on my bronzer, just because when I do a lot of bronzer, my eyes, my bronzer, everything starts looking too makeup-y. So you can balance it out. This is how I do it for my face. Since it's winter and it's going to be drying, so this is the newest thing which I do. Or if you have any kind of cream blush, you can do that. So I have this Lakme Lip and Cheek Mousse lipstick, which is dual purpose. So I do this, and then if I want to add more shade, more blush to my cheek, I go in with the powdered blush on top of this liquid one. Whenever you're working with liquids, go slow. Went ahead with a Super Shock highlighter. This is a very easy peasy, interesting look which anybody can create in no time. You don't need extra time for this. To finish off the look, I went in with my brows, so I'm filling in my brows with Miss Claire. I'm using the same highlighter which I used for my face on my brow bone and my inner corners. To finish off, I wanted something more on a nude side lipstick because I'm wearing a little smoky eye. You can wear any kind of lipstick, it's winter. You can wear a deep shade also. I went ahead with this Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade Pink Blush. It's very creamy, it's not a matte formula. So in a very cold weather, it settled down to a matte finish and it was not enough for me, so I went in with a gloss. It's a ColourPop gloss. And to finish off, I went in with my pack fixing spray. So yeah, this was an easy peasy, very smoky, not too smoky winter holiday look which anybody can carry. You will not look way too dark with this eye look, but will look all winter ready. So I hope you loved watching this interesting winter holiday look. We'll be back soon with something more interesting. Everything will be mentioned in my description. So take care and bye-bye.